guys, welcome back. My name's Amber if you're new here. Today we're going to be decorating for Christmas. It is my favorite season. I love decorating. I've been doing all the decorating for my house, even like my family's house, since I was like 12 or 13. I've always loved putting up the Christmas tree and all the garland and everything. So yeah, today we're going to just be getting the house Christmasified, and we need to start off with taking all this kind of decor down, my fall stuff, and just my decor in general, so we can get it looking like a winter in Wonderland in here. I have a very traditional style for Christmas. Actually, a lot of my Christmas stuff has been passed down from my mom. So a lot of older things, some newer things, but I do just really like the reds and the greens. And yeah, let's get started by taking decor down, and I do need to bring all my Christmas stuff down from the upstairs closet, which is gonna be a bit of a task. Another shade for this. I love these with the garland, but yeah, I'm gonna have to order some, especially to get matching ones. So, but yeah, I need to go ahead and dust this off. A little bit more decor to take down, and then we will head upstairs and start pulling all the Christmas stuff. This is the Christmas closet. About 99% of the things in here is Christmas decor. So yeah, I have a lot that I need to pull down. Well, that was a workout. I need to take a few minute break before I get started. I'm kind of sweating. That was a lot of stuff to bring downstairs. Yeah, I'm going to take a quick break and I'll get back with you. Of course, the dogs have to have stockings. I really need to get a bow or something for the center of this. That's how we had it when I was growing up, and I really like the look of that, so I might need to run to Hobby Lobby at some point before Christmas and get a bow. This thing is super old. I actually think he's from like the 50s. He was originally my grandma's and my mom's, and now I have it. on to the tree. The tree in the Christmas village always take the longest. Fluffing the tree is definitely the worst part. I'm trying to get this so it's not backlit so you can actually see what I'm doing, but I've gotten all the lights and the garland up, and now I'm moving on to ornaments. The vast majority of my ornaments are from Hallmark. My family actually used to own a Hallmark store. They did sell it around the time I was born, but because they owned one, my grandma loved Hallmark, so every year on the VIP day, we would go with my grandma to the Hallmark store, and my brothers and I would each pick out 3 or 4 ornaments every year, so I have a ton of ornaments. So it is definitely a Hallmark tree. feels so much cozier in here. I'm so glad to have that done. I love Christmas time. It just, I don't know, it just feels so nice in here now. So that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. If you like this video, you should like and subscribe, and I will see you next week.